Your Galaxy S26 not sending text messages is usually caused by a weak mobile signal, a temporary network glitch, the wrong messaging app setup, corrupted app cache, or a problem with your SIM service. In this video, I'll show you the 5 most effective fixes you can try before contacting your carrier. Let's get started. First solution, check your mobile signal and SIM service. Text messages need a working cellular connection, even if your phone is connected to Wi-Fi. Look at the signal bars at the top of the screen and make sure your Galaxy S26 has service. If the signal is weak, move to an open area or near a window, then wait a few seconds for the phone to reconnect. You can also try calling another number to check if your SIM has active service. If calls and texts both fail, the issue may be with your SIM, account, or carrier network. Second solution, turn airplane mode on and off. This refreshes your phone's connection to the mobile network and can fix temporary sending errors. Swipe down from the top of the screen, then open the Quick Settings panel, tap Airplane Mode to turn it on, then wait for about 10 seconds, tap Airplane Mode again to turn it off, then wait for your phone to reconnect to the network, open Messages, then try sending the text again. Third solution, restart your Galaxy S26. This clears minor system glitches that can affect messaging, SIM detection, or network registration, and it might be what you need to fix the problem. To do it, press and hold the side button and volume down button. When the power menu appears, tap Restart. Wait for your Galaxy S26 to turn off and back on. Once the signal returns, open Messages and send a test text. Fourth solution, set the correct default messaging app. Your phone needs one default SMS app to send and receive text messages properly, so that's one thing you really have to check. Just open Settings, then scroll all the way down and tap Apps. Tap Choose Default Apps. Then select SMS app. Choose Samsung Messages or Google Messages as your default messaging app. After that, open the selected app and try sending your message again. Fifth solution, clear the Messages app cache. The Messages app stores temporary files to help it load faster, but damaged cache files can sometimes cause sending errors. To address this, go back to the app settings screen again. Find and tap Messages, then tap Storage and select Clear Cache. After clearing the cache, restart your Galaxy S26, open Messages, then try sending a text again. If your Galaxy S26 still can't send text messages after these fixes, contact your carrier and ask them to check your SMS service, SIM status, and account provisioning. Most of the time, the problem is not the phone itself. It is usually a network, SIM, or messaging setting that needs to be refreshed.